What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of RCX Kicks. Before we get started, please make sure you stop, like, and subscribe. And also, I have a couple announcements. So with the coronavirus going on, I hope you guys are all staying in the house and following the social distancing. And I hope you guys are also in good health. Next, the reason why I haven't been making any videos lately is because with the coronavirus going on, we all had to move out of our dorms at school. So now we're all back at home, but like that doesn't mean school ended. Everything is still online. So I'm still doing homework and quizzes and exams. And also I'm trying to manage work too. So I just haven't really had time to sit and make a YouTube video plus all editing. That takes a really long time. So I need a full day, kinda a day or two. But I haven't forgot about you guys, and school is about to end in I think a week or two. I'm taking my finals next week, so we should be getting more videos soon. Get into the history of this shoe. This shoe was released in 1990 and is now brought back today. Michael Jordan actually played in this shoe, and he scored 69 points in the game against the Cleveland Cavaliers. Now the details of the shoe in the box. The box features our red Jordan Jumpman on the top, and on the sides we have our tag, and on the box it says Nike Air with the red Nike check, and the tag shows Air Jordan 5 Retro, and the color says True White, Fire Red, Black. This box here is an 8.5, and they retailed at $200, coming out to about $216 with taxes. This pair I got off of sneakers during the shock drop. There were actually two releases. Now, the first release was during the Michael Jordan documentary at 9 o'clock. I was laying around and on my phone, and I seen it pop up on my phone, and I clicked on it as soon as possible. Purchased them, and it actually went through, and I ended up winning. I'll get into the actual shoe. We have our white leather all around the shoe. And then we have our black midsole with our red flame on the side. And then as you can see, I already like laced mine how I want them to be laced. And I took this piece from the top and put it at the bottom. And if you know fives, you know they come in this little thing right here. But you can take that out of here, and I just put it in my box. I don't really need it anymore. And then also, if you're wondering what this is, that's comes with the shoe so that you can protect the tongue. You don't have to keep it on the shoe when you get them, but this comes with the shoe when you first unbox them. It protects the tongue because this tongue is reflective. And then also we have our red Jordan Jumpman on it, and then on the back we have our red Nike Air with the Nike check. And on the bottom we have our translucent blue with our red Jordan Jumpman, and it says Nike on the bottom. Now the top of the shoe features a red lining, and then on the tongue it also says Air Jordan on it. That being said, I'm gonna get ready to close out here and then get into our on foot. But overall, the quality of this shoe is definitely a 10 out of 10. I love everything they did with it. Plus, I love how they did a shock drop on sneakers. I really appreciate how they did that because I didn't plan on getting these at all, but I ended up getting lucky and getting them for myself. I didn't plan on keeping these at first because these weren't in my size. They're 8.5, but luckily 5s run big, so these actually fit me perfectly. But now I'm going to get into our on foot. Please make sure you stop, like, and subscribe, and until next time.